Hello my dear students, welcome to English Teacher Education. I'm Blerim and today's lesson is the definite article the. It's frequently used in English and it is one of the most common words in the English language. Since it is an article, it appears immediately before the noun. Usage of the. As I have already mentioned, the is used as a definite article when a noun is either absolutely unique or widely believed to be so. For example, the earth, the equator, the sea, the stars, the sky. When a noun has been mentioned a second time and has become definite. For example, her car struck a tree. You can still see the mark on the tree. The next usage is when a noun is specified by adding a phrase or clause. For example, the girl in red, the boy that I met, the man with a banner, and the place where I met her. The next one is when you are talking about a noun that can only refer to one specific thing because of where it is. Well, there's only one option, right? For example, Lisa is in the garden means the garden of this house. The next example is please pass the wine. The wine on the table. Similarly, the postman, the unsung hero of our neighborhood. Just a little joke, loved ones. The postman, the one who comes to us. Oh my God! Check out this incredible car I just spotted. It's seriously next level. The attractive design and the luxurious interior. The car, that it means our car. Oh my God, I just came across this amazing article in the newspaper. It's seriously mind-blowing. The newspaper, the one we read. When used as pronouns or adjectives, it's used before superlatives and only before first, second, etc. Well. The infamous week has arrived. The first week. What a fantastic day! The best day. The only way. That's all for today, my dear students. Keep visiting for additional grammar lessons. Thank you for watching it and see you next time. Bye.